Imagine losing everything in a single day: your wealth, your family, your health. How would your faith hold up? Today, we delve into the story of Job, a man who faced unimaginable trials yet remained steadfast. Stay with us as we uncover profound lessons on maintaining faith during life's hardest times. Job was a wealthy man who lived in the land of Uz. The Bible describes him as blameless and upright, a man who feared God and shunned evil. He was blessed with a large family, vast wealth, and good health. But then, something unimaginable happened. One day, Satan challenged God, claiming that Job's faith was only strong because of his blessings. To test Job's faith, God allowed Satan to take away everything Job held dear, but not his life. In a single day, Job lost his wealth and his 10 children. As if that wasn't enough, he was afflicted with painful boils from head to toe. His friends came to comfort him, but instead of helping, they accused him of wrongdoing, insisting his suffering must be due to hidden sin. Despite the unimaginable pain and the accusations, Job refused to curse God. Instead, he wrestled with his situation, questioning God, but never losing his faith. In the end, God restored Job's fortunes, doubling everything he had lost and blessing him with more children and a long life. The story of Job is not just about suffering, it's about faith, endurance, and restoration. And now let's explore the timeless lessons we can learn from his incredible journey. Lesson 1. Unwavering faith amidst adversity. Job's life was a testament to unwavering faith. Despite losing his possessions and loved ones, he proclaimed, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." This teaches us that true faith isn't dependent on our circumstances, but remains constant, even when life turns upside down. Lesson 2. The importance of honest lament. Job didn't shy away from expressing his anguish. He poured out his heart, questioning and lamenting his suffering. This honesty in prayer shows us that it's okay to bring our deepest pains and questions before God. Authentic faith includes transparent communication with the divine. Lesson 3. The value of perseverance. Throughout his trials, Job persevered. He declared, "Though he slay me, yet will I trust him." His endurance amidst suffering highlights the importance of steadfastness, reminding us that perseverance can lead to profound personal growth and deeper faith. Lesson 4. Restoration and divine reward. In the end, Job's fortunes were restored, and he was blessed even more abundantly. This outcome illustrates that while our trials may be intense, they are often temporary, and maintaining faith can lead to restoration and blessings beyond our imagination. Job's story is a powerful reminder that faith can sustain us through the darkest times. By embracing unwavering faith, honest lament, perseverance, and trusting in eventual restoration, we can navigate our own hardships with hope and resilience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the lessons from Job. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories of faith and inspiration. Remember, no matter the trials you face, you're not alone, and your faith can be your guiding light.